You did everything they told you to. The job, the degree, the gym, the daily gratitude journal, and yet you feel nothing. Empty, numb, like you're watching your life through a screen. Here's the truth. You're not broken, but your definition of right is. You've been living someone else's checklist, chasing goals that look good on paper, but feel like hell in your soul. You traded authenticity for approval, and now your life is polished but pointless. Truth bomb. Success without alignment is just a prettier prison. You followed the rules, but you never asked who wrote them. Was it your parents, your boss, Instagram? Because it sure as hell wasn't you. You perform but don't feel. You achieve but don't connect. And deep down you know, you're terrified of stillness because you're scared of what it might reveal. You're addicted to progress because you've confused movement with meaning. You keep building a life that looks successful to others because you never figured out what success means to you. Here's your wake-up call. Start subtracting. Less performance, more presence, less noise, more truth. Ask yourself, what part of my life am I doing just to be liked, just to be safe, just to be seen as doing it right? Then burn it. Burn the mask. The emptiness isn't a flaw, it's a signal. A brutal, beautiful alarm screaming, this isn't your path. It's time to stop living for the applause and start living for yourself. Or you can finally FC King listen to the voice you've been silencing for years. You want to feel full? Start living like you actually matter.